Ba talaga naman. Magtanggal talaga si Mai. Okay, let's go hiking. Ayan, palabas, pa-enter pala kami sa hiking area. Another adventure.
Adventure. All right. Oh wow. Ano to?
It's a little bit hiking. Oh my God daw. Sabi ko.
Apple picking.
Ayan, ang aming.
The nearest apple picking area. Bilisan natin, mainit.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano ba yan? Akala ko ba? Ano? Bakit natin bibilis-bilisan? Sa silong. Bilis-bilisan. Sa silong. Dalawa.
Sabi?
Oh. Kindly close it.
Mukhang may magrereklamo mamaya ah.
Hey.
Hey! Hey! Ayan, dito na kami. Shout out sa mga mahilig mag-hiking. Yan, mga apple tree ang mga yan. Pero wala pang mga, meron palang mga bunga pero maliliit pa. By September pa ang apple picking dito. Oh! Ayan oh, ano to?
That's grapes. Wild grapes.
It's wild grapes, oh.
Yeah, wild grapes.
Kaso masyadong maliliit.
Ito ang sabi
Oo.
kong daanan.
Dito kami sa malilim.
Sabi niya makikita natin daw ang bird na yan eh. Paano natin makikita ang mga birds na yan?
Hindi doon sa ano, mas maano doon. Tignan nga namin kung may mga bird.
Sabi niya may turtle. Ano kaya yan?
Doon na lang tayo. It's wild. Oh, may deer doon, oh. Ito naman, akala ko naman. Oh, deer.
May deer daw dito.
It's a deer. No, it's a little deer. It's a baby. There's another one. Oh yeah!
Hi!
Yeah, I spotted something. Me? Ayan. Okay, let's go and iitim tayo niyan ah. Oh my goodness. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang init. Hi guys.
Ikot tayo.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, we have a lot. Yeah, I don't know. It says there. OMG, walang mga puno dito, so dalian natin guys para Doon tayo sa malilim. Ayan, nandito na kami sa malilim. Wala pang nagmamaktol sa mga bata. For sure, magrereklamo ang mayan mamaya. Yan. We're gonna see here. Maybe it's... We have a turtle here.
Oo, kaya kami nakakot. Mga kamera niyo.
Wala na, ayaw na nila.
Ang ganda mo. Ang ganda.
Small water lily. Oh, look at that. What's that? Oo naman. Wow, look at that flower.
Okay ka ba? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, smile. Yeah. It's a frog, eh? Yeah, it's a frog. May tuwal din kami doon sa ano. Ano parang ano doon? Tignan mo to, pupunta sa ano niya. Bahay ng ano oh, ng bird. Yeah. Ano, challenge zone. Sige nga, tignan natin kung sinang kayang ano, akyat. Okay. Okay, kuya. Kuya. Challenge.
Yeah, challenge.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Naku. Ayun oh. Sige nga Josh. Ay Joy. Touch the top. Yay! Ate Myla. Of course in just in a 2-step. Wow! Uy! Ikaw naman! Mamaya na ang balintog. Ganyan, ay sus. Oh, look at that. There, you see, look at the... doing? Ba talaga naman. Tanggal talaga si Mai. Ayan ang mga magkakapit. Lumusong na sila. Alright, picture, picture. 1, 2, 3. Habang nag-i-enjoy ang dalawa sa tubig, ito naman ang mga bata nag-i-enjoy sa mga activities dito sa hiking area. Bye-bye.
Hindi yung kinakain, ano? Starfish.
Hindi.
Oh my God, pagod ako. Ay.
Ayan yung mga bata.
So like you can see from the clips, my mom is stalking us. She is in the background all the way somewhere, and she's stalking us. She's holding her phone. Wait. Okay, sorry guys, my mom caught me. Anyways, my beautiful mother is videoing her dear children. So this was like a little play area. And it had that, okay? So it's like these wooden planks connected with rope. And it's so like unbalanced, but it's not even like high up, so it's just basically fun. Like you can see my brother is doing it right now, and I'm basically like I already did it, so I'm just messing around with him, you know. I'm shaking the ropes aggressively since I do hope he loses balance. I don't want him to fall, but like, you know, it's just fun and games. So yeah, he did it. And there I go, coming to my dear mom. Okay, guys. So like I said, this was a little play area, but what I didn't include is where my mom is sitting. They're sitting in like a beach area. So while they're just enjoying the view, taking pictures, me and my brother were all the way up there. Where honestly, I do believe I was also taking pictures, but of myself up there. So yeah. There's the beach I was talking about. There's sand and there's even a cargo boat. It's very big. There I am. So I'm there. I'm pretty sure I was like looking at seashells. And then, but okay, the main thing is the hike. So we're going back hiking. Hopefully to find animals. We will find animals, so please, oh please stay tuned.
What's this?
It's Shrek.
Huh?
Shrek.
What's Shrek?
Wait.
Ay.
That's her. Put this in your pocket. Don't let me hold it. No, just bring the good one. It's good.
Parang malayo-layo na tayo ah.
Ha? Ano malayo? Ano pa?
Parang ako, ako yata ang susuko hindi yung mga bata Wala naman kaming nakitang birds. Saan tayo pupunta? Dito. Ayan no. Lumipad na. Ayan o. Wala na. Maybe it's there. Anong balita? Pagod na ako. Wow. Ay. Ayan.
So we took a little break and we found this other ocean view. The kids, I found it very nice. I took some pictures myself. But like you can see, there's Tita Myla in the background. She's taking her own pictures and it does take quite a while. So we're just taking a little break. The parents are enjoying the view and the kids are playing with the sand. So yeah.
Opo. Gusto ko maupo dito sa sand. Pero yung pantalon.
Huwag mo nang anuhin kahit na ano.
Oo nga, ito lang nakuha. Pati ako.
Okay. Sentro mo na lang. Okay, tuloy pa rin kaming maglakad. Isang oras na kami guys naglalakad. What did you say?
Hi guys! So like you can see, where am I, right? I'm in the middle of the forest.
Look,
So,
it's the peacock, bird. See?
oh, he flew.
Shh, there's a woodpecker in the tree.
So if you haven't guessed by now, that's
Did you see
a
it?
woodpecker. While we're going back, we were so lucky to see 2 woodpeckers. They're actually quite big, which to my surprise, because I normally think like they're just like these small little birds, but like you can see, it's a woodpecker. So their pecking actually made a lot of noise.
We're so lucky. We are so lucky. That is a woodpecker.
There's 2. There's one down.
Oh yeah, this one down.
Cute. Look, it's a squirrel and a woodpecker. We were very lucky to see them because I'm pretty sure
Went up.
2 other of the people we came there with did not have the chance to see them since they went ahead. So I'm glad we got to see. Well, sorry. I'm glad we got to see them since they're very, very cute.
Inistor mo ng ano. Oh, look. I think you cannot fly. See? Bye-bye. malapit na kami na sa finishing line. Nakakita kami ng yan maliit na woodpecker. Ayan siya Guys, may part 1 itong nature adventure namin. So, panoorin nyo ang part 1. At saka salamat sa mga nag-support sa part 1 at nag-comment. Salamat kay Tol Catano TV, kay Reynan Alboro, Sword Solid TV, Sword Traveler TV, Bless Larin, Darrell J. Veloria, Not a Very Cozy Gamer, at saka si Gina Isman ang nag-comment last time. So kung gusto nyong ma-shout out, just comment down below. Telescope.